Okay, Terrortory. Yes, it's a combination of the word territory and terror. This is a film that has it's about an hour and 20 minutes. That is six independent tales told in the location known as the Terrortory. It's a forest. So you have the Prowler, Smiling Jack, Midnight Clown, Drone Collector, Gots. That's all I can really remember. So you have a couple who's going to watch some scary films. They make a passing joke about, oh, this film's horrible and I don't want to watch it. But you like Twilight, which is worse than Plan 9 from outer space. And then the power goes out, they start telling these ghost stories. The nice thing is each story is about 15 minutes long. The problem is I have a hard time finding any of them that were really good. The Prowler, it's a guy going out in the woods and runs into a woman. Bad things ensue. Okay? Midnight Clown's actually pretty good. It's about, a group out in the territory. And there's something about the thing called the Midnight Clown. It's an urban legend. And the makeup for the clown was good. It's clown makeup with, like Ankh symbols on it. It looked good. And the rationale they had behind trying to deal with them was, I thought it was pretty decent. Drone Collector, again, people out in the forest, attacked by a guy who's using drones. I normally like these sort of films where it's a combination of smaller films because it allows you to go, okay, I've got ideas. None of them are worth an hour and a half, but they're worth like 15 minutes. But when some of them are a film crew going out to film a location, so it's a film about them making a film, and they do that twice in six stories. You shouldn't repeat two groups of people going into the same forest to shoot a horror film. No. If you only have if you have 6 ideas, and you duplicate the premise, you just change the villain and the characters. No. All in all, this is something you can find on Amazon Prime if you got a few minutes to go through it. I've seen worse. Nothing in it is really truly remarkable. It's got some moments where you're like, okay, that's not bad. But all this is another skip.